LinkedIn, can my employer see what I post? Yes, my employer can see what I post on LinkedIn. Unless, but the question is, will they? And in all probability, yes, they will if they've got a search term for their business name, and that if you show your current employment, or if you have an unusual name, or if you share something that's derogatory, that anything that only people in the business know. Because remember, your friends are going to be, some of them are going to be your colleague, are going to also be your colleagues, and they also have their LinkedIn profile linked to the business name, and all your posts are visible to all your connections. So if you don't want to do anything that's harming your business, your employment, then don't post on LinkedIn or any other social media site under your own name.